Leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it would take a whole